rabbit. Could possibly be a rabbit bird, but look at this. Look how close this bird is. Ain't no filter on it. It just, I'm like a foot away. He's just sitting there. It's like a little baby or something. Oh. Look how close it is. Like literally, I might be able to pet it, but I don't want it to bite me. He's scared the doo-doo out of me. Alright, I'm gonna leave him alone. He must want to do whatever he want to do. Isn't that crazy? Is he like what kind of bird is that? He's mad now. Alright, that's all I got. He must be hurt. I'll leave him alone, but I pet him. That's crazy.